Hello everyone, welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Java variable scope. In this video, we will explore the world of variable scope in Java, learn how to define and use variable within the and practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us this in video and I am discuss is what is variable scope. In Java, variable scope refers to the region of your code where a particular variable is accessible or can be used. Variables have different scope, including local, instance, and class scope. Let's start it with create local variable scope. So first is define the local variable. It's integer x equal 10 and system.out.println and double quotation is inside main and x equal is and plus sign is x. And now I am create is define another number is local variable with the same name in different type. So I am create is if statement is true and open curly braces is integer x equal 20 and print section is and double quotation is inside if block and x equal is and plus sign x. And now I am create is access the outer x. So system function and double quotation is block in main is x and plus x. So in this code we have a local variable is x and define the main method inside an if block. We declare another variable x within the inner variable temporary hide the other one. So in this if statement I am check it integer x equal 10 system inside main and x is plus y. And now I am create is a if statement and integer x and outline inside is plus x and I am access the outer is block in main is x equal is. So sum in this problem is if true. And in this video I am short mistake is integer 2 name in same but I am use is different name. Y is 20 and inside if block is y. So and save this code and run. As you can see the result is back in main x equal 10. And now I am create is instance variable scope. Now let's explore instance variable scope is. So first I am defined with a instance variable is in this line is delete, and now I am create is public class scope inside is private function is integer count is 0 and public void and increment count is increment count and open curly braces is count increment, and in this line is copy, and so now create is public stat public void and display count is play count and open curly braces is system.out.println and double quotation is count and plus sign is count. Now I am create is public class scope inside in main static void. So now I am create is scope and demo equal is new and scope then semicolon. Now I am create is demo dot increment count, and I am again create is demo dot display count and then semicolon. In this code we have an instance variable is count defined within a class. We create an instance of the class and use its methods to manipulate and access the instance variable. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is count 1, and you are understanding variable scope in Java is essential for writing robust and maintainable code. Properly managing variable scope helps avoiding naming conflicts, improve code readability, and ensure variables are used where they are intended. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on Java class attribute. In this video, we will explore the world of class attributes in Java, learn how to define and use them effectively, and practical example with code and detailed explanations. So join us in this tutorial. So first of all, I am discuss is what are class attributes. In Java, class attributes are variable defined within a class but outside of any method. These variables are shared by all instances of the class and represent characteristics or properties of the class. Now I am creating a class with attribute in Java. So first I am create is class attribute is string and string is name. And now I am create is integer is and create is static integer and total student and 0. So now I am create a constructor of public student and its string name and integer age. So now I am create is open curly braces is this function is use dot this dot name and its equal is name. Then I am again create is this function is age and its equal is age. And now I am create is total students, then semicolon. Student is increment. So in this code, we define a student class with attributes name, age, and a static attribute is total student. The total student attribute is shared by all instances of the class and keep track of the total numbers of students. So now I am creating object with class attribute. So now in this line I am create student object is student and student1 is equal new student and its double quotation is Alice and his age is 20, then semicolon, and now I am again create is student and student 2, then equal new student name is Bob and his age is 25, then semicolon. And now I am create access and display class attribute is its system dot out dot println and double quotation is student is 1 and student is plus sign and student 1 dot name and plus is then again and comma is age and student is plus and student 1 then dot age then semicolon. And in this line and copy and paste in next line, and so student is student 2 and its student 2 is and its 2. So access and display class attribute in this 2 line. And now I am create access the shared class attribute. So now I'm click is system println and double quotation is total student and plus symbol is student dot total students. So in this code is we create two student objects and attributes and access this attribute. We also access the total student attribute using the class name since it's shared among all instances. So save this code and save and let me run this code. Okay, it's build this function and okay. And finally, as you can see, the result is student 1, Alice age is 20 and student 2 is for Bob, Alice age is 25. And in this class attribute in Java allow you to define and share common data among all instances of a class. They are useful for meaning state or characteristics that are applicable to the class as a whole. So, thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Java Constructor. In this video, we'll explore the world of constructor in Java, learn how to create and use them effectively. And so join us on this journey to master constructor in Java. So what are constructor? In Java, constructors are special methods that the same name as the class. They are used to create and initialize objects when they are instantiated. So now I am create is Java constructor. So let's start it. Now I am create a Java constructor in Java is a special method that is used to utilize object. The constructor is called when an object of a class is created. It can be used to set initial values for object attributes. And now I am create a class attribute is integer x. And now I am create a class constructor for the main class is public and main cons and then open curly braces is x equal 10 then semicolon. And now in this line is 10 set the initial value for the class attribute. And now I am create an object of class main. This is a will set this will call the constructor is main con and my object and equal is new and main con then semicolon. And now I am create is print the value of x of system.out.println and it's my object and then it's dot x. So save this code and let me run this code is okay. As you can see, the result is 10. It's a Java constructor. And now I am create a constructor parameters. Constructor can also take parameters which is used to initialize attribute. So now I am create first is public class main constructor site is integer and model year is and semicolon, and now I am create is string name and model name, then semicolon. Now I am also create is public is main constructor is, and first bracket is integer year and integer and string name. So now I am open curly braces is model year is equal year, then semicolon. Now I am use is model name and equal is name, and then semicolon. And now I am create is main function inside is main constructor is my car and equal is new, and mains constructor is 1980, and its name is parenthesis is Mustang, and then semicolon. And now I am create is print the value of, so now I am create is system.out.println, and I am create is my car and dot model year first, then plus sign, and is double quotation is, then outside is plus, and my car dot model year. So in this is 69. So save this code and run, build in this function, and yeah, this is a 1969 is Mustang. So in this line I am just simple change, it's not model word, it's a model name. So again save this code and run. A building function, okay, it's a 1969 is Mustang. So in this tutorial, in constructor Java are essential for initializing objects and setting their initial state. They provide flexibility and convenience when creating objects with different initial values. So thank you for joining us in this exploration of Java constructor. Practice using constructors in your own programs to become proficient and creating and initializing objects effectively. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on Java modifier. In this video, we'll explore the world of modifiers in Java, learn how they can be used to control access, inheritance, and more, and dive into practical example. So let's get started. So what are modifiers? In Java, modifiers are keywords that provide additional information about classes, methods, and fields. They control aspects as access, inheritance, and more. So let's get started now. First I am create is static modifier. The static modifier is used to create class level members. So now I am create is first I am create is static demo is static and integer count equals 0. And now I am create is public and now I am create is first bracket and then open curly braces is count increment. And now I am create is in this section is public and static and void is display count. Count is then open curly braces is system.out.println and quotation is count and plus is count. So in this code we have a static variable count and a static method is display count. So save this code and now I am create let's use to the static members. So first I am create is create object is static demo and object 1 is equal new static demo and in this line is copy and paste. This is object 2. So now I am access and display the static variable is system.out.println and quotation is count count from z1 and plus is object 1 dot is count. So in this line is copy and paste in next line is this is object 2 and it's object 2. And now I am call the static method use. So it's static demo dot display count. So save this code and in this code we create object of the static demo class and access both the static variable and method. So save this code and run. Okay, building this function. Okay, as you can see the result is count from object 1 2 and object 2 is 2 and total count is 2. So in this video I am also discuss is final modifier. The final modifier used to make a variable method or class content. So now I am create is final demo is final and integer value is equal 10 and public final void and display is then open curly braces is system.out.println and double quotation is value and plus is value. So in this code, we have a final variable value and a final method is display. So save this code, and now I am create is final members. So first I am create is final demo, and object is equal new, and it uses is final demo, then semicolon, and now I am use access the final variable is system.out.println, and double quotation is value, and it's then now I am create is print section is value, and plus object is value, and now I am create is object display. It's called the function method is object and display. So in this code, we create an object of the final demo class and access both the final variables and method. So save this code and run. Okay, save and run in this code. So building this function is this output is value is 10 and in value is 10. So in this tutorial, our modifier in Java are powerful tools for controlling access, inheritance, and behavior of classes, methods, and fields. They help you design robust and secure code. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome back to this comprehensive tutorial on Java encapsulation. In this video, we'll explore the concept of encapsulation in Java, learn how it helps in data protection and organization, and practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us on this journey. So now I am discuss is what is encapsulation. In Java, encapsulation is the practice of bounding of data, attributes, and method function that operate on the data into a single unit called a class. It restricts direct access to some of an object's components and prevents the accidental modification of data. Now I am create is access modifiers play a crucial role in encapsulation. So now I am create is private string is name, and I am create is private integer is, then semicolon, and now I am create is getter method for name public string and get name, and then open curly braces is return is name, then semicolon, and now I am create is setter method for name is public and void and set name, and its string and name, then open curly braces is this dot name is equal name, and now I am create is getter method for is. So first I am create is public integer is get age, then first bracket, and then open curly braces is return is, then semicolon, and now I am create is public void and set age its integer is and open curly braces is if condition is and not greater than equal is 10. 0 and then open curly braces is this dot age equal age, then semicolon, and save this code. And now I am create is encapsulation for using this code. Now I am create a student object is students and students1 is new and students function and then semicolon. And now I am create to set student information using setter method. So first I am create is students dot set name is Smith, and now I am set is students dot set age is 30. So now I am access and display student information using getter method is system.out.println and double quotation is student name and class is students dot get name, and copy this line and paste its student age and student its change its get age. So save this code, and in this code we create a student object and set its information using setter methods. We also access and display this information using getter method. So run this code, and as you can see the result is student name Smith and integer age is 30. In this code, encapsulation is a fundamental concept in Java and object-oriented programming. It helps in maintaining data integrity, promoting code organization, and enhancing code flexibility. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Java packages and API. In this video, we'll explore the world of package and application programming interface. API in Java. Learn how to organize code into packages, access and use API, and dive into practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us in this journey. So what are packages? In Java, packages are containers for classes and inheritance. They provide a way to organize and group related classes into namespace. So let's start by creating a package. Now I am create is my class. Inside is public void and print message and open curly braces is system.out.println and double quotation is hello from my packages package and save this code. And in this code we define a package named and a class, my class within. So now I am create is using a package. So to use a package you need to import it. So now I am use is in this code my class is my class and my object is and equal is new and my class, then semicolon, and I am create is my object and dot print message. So in this code for my class classes and create an object of my class to access its method. So save this code and run. In this code is hello from my package. And now I am create is what are API. Now let's talk about API. An API for Application Programming Interface is a set of predefined classes and methods that you can use in your Java applications to perform common tasks. Now using the Java API, it's provide a rich standard API that you can use out of the box. Let's explore the Java API by using the ArrayList classes. So now I am create is first I am create is import java dot util dot ArrayList then semicolon. And now in this not copy and this program I am use import. And now I am uses is create an array list of integer. So suppose I am create array list is integer and use is numbers and equal is new array list then semicolon. And now I am add element to the array list is numbers 1 dot add integer is 10 then semicolon and copy this line and paste and change this value is 20 and in this value is 30. So now I am access and display elements is pose for loop and integer num and numbers. So open curly braces and system.out.println and it's num. So in this code we import the Java ArrayList class from the Java API and use it to create and manipulate an array list. So save this code and run. As you can see the result is 10, 20 and 30. In this package and API are essential components of Java development. Package help you organize your code into logical units, while API provide powerful tool to extend your application's capabilities. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Java package and API. So, in this tutorial, our practice organizing your code into packages and using APIs streamline your development process. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Java inheritance. In this video, we will explore the concept of inheritance in Java, learn how it facilitates code reuse and building relationships between classes, and practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us in this tutorial. So, what is inheritance? In Java, inheritance is the process by using a new class known as a subclass or derived class. Inherited properties and behavior from an existing class known as a superclass or base class. And now I am creating a superclass is, so let's get started by creating a superclass. So now first I am use is animal class is string string name then semicolon, and now I am use is public void and it, then open curly braces is system dot out dot a system dot out dot println, and now I am create is name and plus sign, then double quotation is eating. So in this code we define a animal class with a name attribute and an eat method. So save this code, and now I am create is subclass. So subclass, now let's create a subclass that inherits from superclass. So now I am create is dog class is under is extend animal class, and now I am create is public void and bark, then parenthesis and open curly braces is system dot out dot println, and now I am again create is name variable and plus sign is double quotation is barking. So save this code, and in this code we define a dog class that extends the animal class. This means that dog inherits the name attributes and eat method from animal, and now I am create is using inheritance in these classes. So let's use inheritance in practice. So now I am create a dog object. So first I am create is dog and my dog and equal is new dog, then semicolon, and now I am use is my dog and dot name, then equal is Birdie, then semicolon, and now I am access method from both classes. So now in this my dog dot eat and then semicolon. Now I am again create is my dog dot bark and semicolon. In this code, we create a dog object, set its name and access methods from both the animal class and dog class. So save this code and run. Okay, it's building function now processing, and just few minutes second wait, and as you can see the result is Birdie is eating, Birdie is barking. So in this tutorial for inheritance is a fundamental concept in Java that allow you to create relationships between classes and build upon existing code to create new specialized classes. So thank you for joining us in this exploration of Java inheritance. Practice using inheritance in your own programs to become proficient and building class hierarchies and reusing code effectively. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to this comprehensive tutorials on Java polymorphism. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of polymorphism in Java, understanding how it enables flexibility and extensibility in code, and explore practical example with code and detailed encapsulation and explanation. So join us this in video to master polymorphism in Java. So what is polymorphism? In Java, polymorphism allow objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. This enable flexibility in code and simplify the design of complex systems. So now I am creating a superclass. So let's start it by creating a superclass. So first I am create is animal class, inside is void and make sound, and then parenthesis and open curly braces is system.out.println, and double quotation is some sound, and save this code. In this code, we define an animal class with a method called makeSound. So now I am creating a subclasses. Now let's create two subclasses. So in this class is dog extend the animals, extends animals. So now I am in this code is override and this line is void and make sound, and then parenthesis and open curly braces is system.out.println, and in this text is bark. And now I am create is another subclass 2 is plus and cat extends is animals and curly braces is this function is override, and now I am create is void and make sound, and I am use parentheses, then curly braces is system.out.println and it's male. So save this code, and in this code is we define two subclasses, dog and cat, both of which extend the animal classes. They override the make sound method to provide their own implementations. So now I am finally create is polymorphism. So in this video I am create an array of animals. So first I am create is animals, and third bracket is animals is equal is new and animals, then semicolon, and in this animal size is 3. So now I am create is animal section and it use equal new and dog class, so then semicolon, its use is 0, and in this line copy and paste for next line and paste and change this value is 1 and in this value is 2, and it's a cat class, and in this dog make the animal sound of. So now I am use is for loop and create is animals and animals 1 and its create is animals. So now I'm create is curly braces is animals 1 dot make sound. So save this code, and in this code we create an array of animal objects and populate it with instance of both dog and cat classes. When we call make sound on each object, polymorphism comes into play and the appropriate make sound method so for each object is in make inherit. So save this code and let me run this code and just wait is few seconds, and as you can see the result is bark, meow and bark. So in this tutorial is polymorphism is a powerful concept in Java that enables you to write more flexible and maintainable code. It is an essential tool is object-oriented programming. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on Java inner classes. In this video, we will dip into the world of inner classes in Java. Understanding their significance, learn how they can enhance encapsulation and code organization, and explore practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us in this tutorial. So first I am discuss is what are inner classes. In Java, an inner class is a class that defined inside another class. They are used for various purposes, including encapsulation and better organization of code. Inner class is benefit. Let's explore the benefits of using inner class is encapsulation, readability, and callback mechanism. And inner class, there are four types of in Java. So member inner class, static nested inner class, and local inner class, and anyone inner class. So now I am create in this tutorial is member inner class. So let's start with a member inner class is first I am create is outer class, and I am create is private, and integer is outer, variable is outer var, and its equal is 10. Then I am create is member inner class. So first I am create is class and inner, and then curly braces is void and display, and parentheses. Now open curly braces is system.out.println, and double quotation is value of outer var, and now I am create is plus sign and outer var. So save this code, and in this code we have an outer class containing a member inner class called inner. The inner class can access the private variable outer var of the outer classes. So now I am using is member inner class. Now let's use a member inner class in this function. Now I am create is main function inside is outer and outer object, and its equal is new and outer, then semicolon, and now I am create is outer dot inner, and inner object is equal is outer object dot new and inners, so then semicolon, and now I am create is inner object dot display. So in this code we create an instance of the outer class and then use it the create an inheritance of the inner class. We called the display method to access the outer variable. So save this code, and in this code is save, and let me run this code, and just few seconds wait, As you can see, the result is value of outer is 10. And in this tutorial, our inner class are a powerful feature in Java that can enhance code organization and encapsulation. They provide flexibility and are often used in real-world scenarios like GUI development and event handling. So thank you for joining us in this exploration of Java inner classes. Practice using inner classes in your own program to become proficient at encapsulating related functionality and improving code organization. Until next time, so thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video tutorial on Java abstraction. In this video, we'll explore the concept of abstraction in Java, understanding how it helps in modeling real-world scenery and practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us this in tutorial. So what is abstraction? Abstraction is the process of simplifying complex reality by modeling classes based on real-world objects. It involves hiding the complex implementation details and exposing only essential features. So, in this tutorial, I am first create is abstract classes. So let's start it by understanding abstract classes. So first I am create is abstract and double and calculate area. Then parenthesis and semicolon. In this code, we define an abstract class shape with an abstract method is calculate area, and abstract classes cannot be instant. They serve as a blueprint for concurrent subclasses. So now I am create is concurrent subclasses is first I am create is concurrent subclass is double and radius and semicolon. Now I am create is circle. So it's circle and double and radius, then curly braces is this dot radius and its equal is radius, then semicolon. And now I'm in this class, public class circle is extend is shape class. So now I am in this class is override. So now in this class is override and I am create is double and calculate area and parenthesis, then curly braces is return and math dot pi and radius is and 2 radius. then semicolon. And in this code, its concrete subclass is 1. So now I am create is concrete subclass 2 is this line is now I am second class is class and rectangle is extend shape class and its curly braces and double is length and double is width and I am create is rectangle and double length and again create is double width and open curly braces is this dot length and equal is length then semicolon and again create is this shown is width is equal width and semicolon. And now I am in this class is override. So now I am override in this class and its create is double and I am create is calculate area and parenthesis then curly braces is return is length and into width then semicolon. So save this code and in this code here we define two concrete subclasses circle and rectangle, both of which extend the abstract class shape. They provide their own implementation of calculate area method. So now I am using abstract. So let us abstract in this class. So first I am create is shape and circle now is equal is new and circle classes is 5 then semicolon and I'm again create is shape and rectangle equal new and rectangle is 4 and 6 then semicolon and now I am create is print function is system dot out dot println and area of circle then I'm create is plus sign and circle dot calculate area and in this line is copy and paste and change it area of rectangle and its rectangle, and in this area is calculate area. In this code, we create is instance of the concrete subclasses circle and rectangle, and we call the calculate area method on each them. So save this code and run. Okay, just wait. And so something is wrong, so I am again try it in this function. So in this code I'm use is double calculate area is return this radius, so it's fixed. Now I am in this class is again run. So run this code, and as you can see, the result is area circle of 5.0 and area of rectangle is 24.0. So in this, abstraction is a powerful concept in Java that allow you to model real world scenarios effectively. It helps in creating organized and maintainable code by focusing on what's important. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to this comprehensive tutorials on Java interface. In this video, we'll explore the concept of interface in Java, understand how they enable multiple inheritance and polymorphism, and into practical example with code and detailed explanations. So join us on this journey to master interface in Java. So, what is an interface? In Java, an interface is a collection of abstract methods. It defines a contract that implementing classes must follow, ensuring a consistent API. So, why use interface? To achieve security, hide certain details, and only show the important details of an object. And Java does not support multiple inheritance, and however it can be achieved with interface because the class can implement multiple interface. So now I am create is multiple interface to implement multiple interface, separate them with a comma. So first I am create is interface first name, interface first interface, and then semicolon, and now I am create is public void, and my method is method, and then parenthesis and semicolon. In this line indicate interface method, and now I am create again interface method is interface is second interface, and then curly braces is public void, and my method, then parenthesis and semicolon. It's another interface method, and now I am create is class demo. So first I am create is class, and demo class is demo class. Now I am use is implements, and create is first interface, Again, create is second interface is then curly braces, and now I am create is public and void, and my method is my method, and parenthesis then curly braces, and I am use is system dot out dot println, and its double quotation is hello fellow fellow programmer, and now I am create is another demo class. Another demo class inside is public static void, public and static void, and not static, it's only public void. And now I'm create is my other method is method, and in this is my other method, and it's my other method. And now I am create is parenthesis and curly braces is system dot out dot println, and double quotation use this is a Java programming language. And now I am create is main function inside is demo class, and my object, and create is new object and new demo class, then parenthesis and semicolon. And now I'm create is my object dot my method, and I'm create is again my object dot my other method. So save this code and run. Okay, as you can see, the result is hello fellow programmer, and this is a Java programming language. This program is perfectly correct, and in this interface are a versatile and powerful feature in Java. They enable code reuse, polymorphism, and construct-based development, making them essential for building modular and maintainable systems. So, thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Java enums. In this video, we will explore the concept of enums in Java, understand how they simplify code, enhance readability, and provide type safely, and dive into practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us on this journey to master enums in Java. So, in Java, enums are a way to create a collection of constants. They provide a means to define a set of predefined values that are distinct and cannot be changed. So now I am creating a enum. So let's start by creating an enum. Is first I am create is enum day, and open curly braces is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So now click is semicolon. Then save this code, and in this code we define an enum day with 7 constant representing days of the week. And now I am using is enums. So now I am create is enum. First I am create is day and it today. Then I am click is equal and day dot Wednesday. Then semicolon. And now I am create is if statement is if and statement is today and equal is day, then dot is Wednesday. Then open curly braces, and now I am create is print section is system dot out dot print line, and double quotation is it is it is Wednesday. So save this code, and now I am again create is switch statement. So now I am create is switch and condition is today. Then I am create is curly braces, and first case is Monday and then semicolon, and now I am create is case and Tuesday, then I am create is again case. In this case is copy and copy and paste, and now I am change it. This is Wednesday, and in this line is Thursday, and in this line is Friday. And now I am create in this line is system section is system dot out dot print line, and double quotation is it is a weekday. Then I am create is break statement, and now I am create is case. Next case is case and it's Saturday. now I am create is again case is, and it's Sunday, and now I am create in print function is system dot out dot print line, and double quotation is it is it is a vacant day. And now I am create is break statement. Okay, break. So in this code I am save and run. Okay, this code save, and in this code save. Now let me run this code, and as you can see the result is it is Wednesday and it is a weekday. So in this enums are a powerful feature in Java for defining a set of constants that enhance code readability and types safely. They are particularly useful when you need to work with a fixed set of choice. So thank you for joining us in this exploration of Java enums. Practice using enums in your own programs to become proficient and simplifying code and making it more expressive. So, thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to this today's video on Java user input. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to take user input in the Java programming language. Collecting input from users is an aspect of many applications, and Java provides several ways to do this effectively. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of Java's users input mechanisms and how to use them in your program. So now let's start by discussing one of the most common way to get user input in Java, the scanner class. So first I am create is scanner class to get user input. So first I am create is scanner, and then its scanner and is equal is new scanner and its system dot in, then semicolon. And now I am use is print function is system dot out dot println, and double quotation is enter your name, then semicolon. And now I am create is another scanner. First I am create is string dot name, string name, and equal is scanner dot next line, and then semicolon. And now I am use is system function, and double quotation inside is hello, and its equal is plus sign and name, and plus sign is then double quotation. Okay, then I am use is scanner and close, scanner dot close function. So in this code we use the scanner class to read input from the keyboard. So save this code and run. Okay, as you can see, the result is is Bob. So hello Bob. Okay, now I am create is another reading different data type. With the scanner class, you can read various data types such as integers and doubles from user input. So let's start it, and first I am create is in this line is change system dot print dot outline in it is this is enter an integer number, then I am create is integer num and equal is scanner dot next int and then semicolon, and now I am create is this function is copy and paste and it enter a double number, double integer, and then I am create is integer is price, double, and price is equal, scanner dot next double and semicolon, and now I am create is in this function is copy and in this line is paste. So change is this is message is change. So now I am create is you entered and it's num, then plus sign and again double quotation is and plus sign is price. So scanner dot close function, and in this scanner class allow us to read various data types according to user input. So save this code and run. Okay, as you can see, the integer number is 24 and double number is 7.8, and you enter 24 and 7.8. That's work on our tutorial on Java user input. You are covered how to take user input using the scanner class, read different data types. So with a practical example, collecting user input is a crucial skill for creating interactive Java programs. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Java programming tutorials. So thank you again and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on working with dates in Java. In this video, we will explore how to handle dates and times, format them and perform various operations with them in Java. We will dive into practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us on this journey to master date manipulation in Java. In Java, the java.util.date class has been used traditionally for working with dates and time. However, it has limitations and is not recommended for new code. Instead, you will explore the modern date and time API introduced in Java. So let's start by importing the java.time package. So first time create is import java.time. This means in package to access the modern date and class time. And now I am create a local date object to represent a date. So now I am create is main function inside is local date is current date is equal is local date dot now and semicolon. In this line means is we create a local date object named current date and initialize it with the current date. And now I am create is string and string and for made date formatted date and is equal is current date dot format and is date time format and create is date time and formatter so and dot of local is of and pattern and this line is date and double quotation is date and month and year then semicolon. And now I am use is system function is system.out.println and use double quotation is current date and is use plus sign and formatted date. Then I am use is again local date and dot next week and its capital word is next week is equal is current date and dot plus weeks is 1 and then semicolon. And now I am use is system.out.println and double quotation is next week and use plus sign and next week and dot format and its date time formatter dot of pattern, and use is double quotation is date and month and year. So then semicolon. And in this code is imports the java.time and package gets the current date formats and performs a date manipulation. So current date, this current date means we print the formatted date of the console, and local date is next week. Next week. In this line we can use methods like plus weeks to add time intervals to dates. So save this code and run. Okay, as you can see, the result is current date is 29 September is 2023 and next week's date is 6 October 2023. And in this code we handles and dates and time in Java is made efficient and flexible with the modern date and the API. It's recommended for all new Java projects. So thank you for joining us in this exploration of working with dates in Java. Practice using the modern date and time API in your own programs to create accurate and reliable date-related functionalities. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on array list in Java. In this video, we will explore how to work with array lists, a dynamic and versatile data structure for storing collections of objects. We will dive into practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us this journey to master array list in Java. So I am so excited to be your guide through the world of array lists in Java. Array lists are a fundamental part of Java collections, offering flexibility and ease of use. So in Java, an array list is a dynamic array-like data structure that can grow in size as needed. It's part of the Java collections framework and allow you to store and manipulate collections of objects. So now I am importing array list. So let's start by importing array list, and now I am create is main function inside is array list, and less than is integer, and now I am create is numbers and equal new array list and then semicolon. And now I am create is numbers dot add function use is 5 and semicolon. Now in this line is copy and paste, next line is again. So numbers add function I am change is 10 and 15. So now I am create is integer is first number is equal is numbers dot get function index is 0, then semicolon. And now I am create is again integer function. Its second number and numbers get function is 1. So now I am create is print function is system.out.println and double quotation use is first number is plus sign and first number. Then in this line is copy and paste. So it's change it. Its second number is second number and its function call is second number. Then I am use is for loop and initialize is I equal 0, then semicolon and I is numbers and dot size. This code is then I increment and let's create is system function numbers dot get function is I and save this code is function is save and in this code is array list. In this line we create an array list method names numbers to store integer value. And in this numbers add function, we use the add method to add integers to the array list. And in two line is integer, we use the get methods to retrieve elements by their index. And last one is for loop. We use a for loop and the size method to iterate through the array list. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is second number is 10 and first number is 5. In this code, import ArrayList class creates an array list of integers and adds elements, access them, and iterate through the array list. So, array lists are a fundamental data structure in Java for managing collections of objects. They offer versatility and simplicity for a wide range of applications. So, thank you for watching and hello everyone, welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on linked list in Java. In this video, we will delve into the world of linked list, a versatile and dynamic data structure that particularly useful for certain applications. You will provide practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us in this tutorial. So what is a linked list? In Java, a linked list is a linear data structure where elements are stored in nodes. Unlike arrays, linked lists don't require contiguous memory making. So join us in flexible insights. So now I am create a linked list. So first I am create is linked list and use string and use name and equal new and linked list, then semicolon. And now I am use is names dot add function is name Alice, then semicolon, and in this line is copy and paste is next line is change Alice, Bob and Charlie. Charlie. And now I am create is string first person is string is first person equal is names dot get index is 0, then semicolon, and in this line copy and paste next line, and this change is second person and index size is 1. So now I am create is run and system function system.out.println, and double quotation is first person is, and plus sign is first person, and in this line copy and paste is its second person and its second, then now I am create is for loop and use string name and its names, then curly braces and its system.out.println and name. So save this code, and in this code import the linked list class, create a linked list of string, adds element, access them, and iterate through the linked list. So save this code and let me run this code. Okay, as you can see, the result is first person name is Alice, second person name is Bob, and in this names add function is Alice, Bob, and Charlie. So in this tutorial is linked list provides several benefits including dynamic sizing, efficient insertion and deletion, and no requirement for contiguous memory. So linked lists are a valuable data structure in Java, particularly when you frequent insertions and deletions are involved. They offer flexibility and efficiency for more various applications. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to this comprehensive tutorials on hash maps in Java. In this video, we will delve deep into the world of hash maps, a powerful data structure for efficiently storing and retrieve key value pairs. We will provide practical example, the code, and detailed explanation. So join us in this tutorial. So, what is a hash map? In Java, a hash map is a data structure that allows you to store and retrieve data in key value pairs. It provides first access to values based on their key. So first time create is the hashmap class has many useful methods. For example, to add item to it, use the put method. So first time create is hashmap and use is string and string, then create is capital cities, use new and hash map, then it use is string and string. So in this line, create a hash map object called capital cities. So now I am at key and value for country and city. So first time create is capital cities dot put and use is country is England and next one is double quotation is London, then semicolon, and copy this line and paste. Use is USA and Berlin. So now I am use is system method is system.out.println and capital cities. So save this code and run. Okay, as you can see, the result is USA, Berlin, England, and London. And now I am use and create other types. So create a hashmap object called people that will store string, key, and image value. And in this tutorial is use key and value in a hash map and actually object. In this example, you use objects of type string. Remember that a string in Java is an object. They use other types such as integer. You must specify an equivalent integer for other primitive type. Use boolean for boolean, character for char, double for double, etc. So now let's create is in this function. First time create is hashmap string type and is integer type. Integer type and use is people and now I'm use new hash map its integer. So now I'm create and add keys and values name and age. So first time create is people dot put function is name for is Johan and is 33, then semicolon. Now in this line is copy and paste and people name is Bob and in this name is NJ. Then its age is 35 and 40. and now I am use is for loop and its string is I and people is people he said, and then curly braces inside is system.out.println. Sorry, in system.out.println, and double quotation is key and use plus sign I and plus sign, then double quotation is value and again plus sign and people dot its get method and is I. Save this code and run. As you can see, the result is key Bob values 35, Johan values 30, and Angel value is 40. So in this tutorial, for hash maps are a versatile data structure in Java commonly used for tasks that involve mapping keys to values. They offer excellent performance and easy of use. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. In this comprehensive tutorial on hash sets in Java. In this video, we will explore the world of hash sets, a versatile and efficient data structure for storing unique elements. You will provide practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us this in tutorial. So I'm so excited to be guide through the world of hash set in Java. So hash sets are a fundamental part of Java collections, offering uniqueness and fact element retrieval. So in Java, a hash set is a data structure that stores a collections of unique elements. It uses a hashing mechanism to provide first access to elements. So now let's create in hash function hash set. So first time create a hash set object called numbers. So hash set and it integer number, then its create is numbers and equal new hash set, then use is integer number, then semicolon. In this here it copy and paste. So now I'm create add values to the set. So first I am add is numbers dot add method is integer is 5, then semicolon, and in this line is copy and paste, then change this number is 10, 8 and 10. So slow which numbers between 1 and 10 are in the set. Now I'm create is for loop and for and parenthesis is integer I equal 1 and I less than equal is 10 and semicolon and I increment. Then curly braces is if statement and numbers dot contains and I, then again curly braces is system dot out dot println and double quotation and use is I and plus sign, then use is was found in the set, and I am use is else statement, and create is system.out.println and double quotation is I and plus sign is use was not. So in this line is copy and next line is paste. So was not found in the set. So save this code and let me run this code. Okay. As we can see, the result is 5, 1, 2. So I'm just use space and save and run. As you can see, the result is perfectly printed. A was not found in the set case and line. So only 8 was found in the set case and 10 was found in the set case. So in this tutorial, in HashSet provides several benefits including uniqueness of elements, fast retrieval, and efficient memory uses. So hash sets are a valuable data structure in Java, commonly used when you need to store and manage a collection of unique elements efficiently. So thank you for joining us in this exploration of hash sets in Java. Practice using hash sets in your own programs to manage unique elements effectively. So again, thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on iterators in Java. In this video, we will explore the world of iterators, a powerful tool for traversing collections in a consistent of efficient manner. We will provide practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us on this journey to master iterators in Java. So I am so excited to be your guide through the world of iterators in Java. Iterators are essential for working with collections, allowing us to access elements one by one. So, what is an iterator? In Java, an iterator is an interface that provides methods to iterate through elements in a collection such as array list or hash set. It ensures consistent access regardless of the underlying collections type. So now I am create in this function of iterators. So first time create is array list and its string type string, then use is names and equal new array list, then semicolon, and now I am add names and values. Names and string is names dot add function is string is Jenny, and then semicolon, and copy this line and paste its Harry, and it is Smith. So now I am use is iterator function iterator and it string, and use is iterator and equal is names dot iterators and then semicolon. now I am use is while condition is iterator dot hash next, and then open curly braces is string name, and equal is iterator and dot next line, then semicolon. And now I am create a system section is system dot out dot print line is a print section is name. So in this code, import the iterator interface, create an array list of string, creates an iterator and iterates through the elements. So let me run this code, and as you can see, the result is Jenny, Harry, and Smith. So in this, iterator provides several benefits including consist, access efficiency, and compatibility with various collections types. So iterators are a fundamental part of Java collections, ensuring that you can traverse collections efficiently and uniformly. So thank you for joining us in this exploration of iterators in Java. Practice using iterators in your own programs to navigate through collections with ease. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to this comprehensive tutorials on Webber classes in Java. In this video, we will delve into the world of Webber classes, a crucial concept in Java for working with primitive data type as object. We'll provide practical example with code and detailed explanation, so join us in this tutorial. So, what are Webber classes? In Java, Webber classes are a set of classes that encapsulate primitive data types. They allow primitive types to be used as objects and provide additional functionality. So let's try it. Now I am create is integer and my int is equal is new and integer is 42, then semicolon. And now I am use is integer and primitive okay, primitive integer, and then equal is my int dot in value, then semicolon. And now I am create is integer and number 1 is equal 10, then semicolon, and integer is number 2 is equal 20, then semicolon, and I'm use is integer result function is result is equal is num1 dot compare to number 2 and semicolon. Now I am use is print function is system dot out dot print line, and double quotation is comparison is result, and is use plus sign and result. In this code, import the integer Webber class, create a Webber object, converts into a primitive, and demonstrate the use of wrapper method. So let me run this code, and as you can see, the comparison result is -1. So in this wrapper classes offer benefits like allowing primitive types to be used as object and providing useful method for data manipulation. So wrapper classes are an essential part of Java, enabling you to work with primitive data types in an object-oriented way. So thank you for joining us in this exploration of wrapper classes in Java. So practice using wrapper classes in your programs to take full advantage of their capabilities. Until next time, and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to this new video tutorial on regular expression in Java. In this video, we will delve into the world of regular expression, a powerful tool for pattern matching and text manipulation. We will provide practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us on this journey to master regular expression in Java. So what are regular expression? Now in Java, regular expression or regex are X are patterns that describe sets of string. They are used for searching, matching, and manipulating text. Reg-EX for regression expression and provides a concise and powerful way to work with string. So now I am create is regular expression and working in this class. So first time create is pattern and is pattern and equal new and not new is use is pattern and dot compile and use is double quotation is reg ex and ex pattern and dot is case underscore is insensitive insensitive. So then semicolon, and in this I am create is not okay, it's pattern dot compile and reg is pattern dot case and insensitive. Okay, it is now I am again create in this line is dot case and then semicolon, and now I am use is mature and mature is equal is pattern and dot is mature, and input is double quotation is regular, regular is expression, and then semicolon. And now I am use is boolean function is boolean and match found found and equal is matcher dot find and semicolon. And now I am use is if statement is match found and double quotation use is system dot out dot println and message is match not found. And now I am use is else statement and its is system dot out dot println and match found. So in this code is pattern and it's not okay. Now I am again use in this pattern and pattern and in pattern is so in this code imports the regular expression classes compiles and regular expression pattern and match it against a text. So let me run this code and as you can see the result is match found. And in this regular expression provides a several benefits including powerful text manipulations, efficient pattern matching, and versatile string handling. So regular expression are a valuable skill in Java, allowing you to work with text data in ways. So thank you for joining us in this exploration of regular expression in Java. Practice using regular expression in your programs to enhance your text processing capabilities. So until next time, and thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello programmer, welcome to another exciting tutorials of our Java programming series. Today we are delving into the world of Java threads. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding and of what threads are, why they are important, and how to use them in your Java applications. So, in this Java, a thread is the smallest unit of execution. It allows your program to do multiple things at once, enhancing performance and responsiveness. So let's start by creating a simple thread in Java. So threads allow a program to operate more efficiently by doing multiple things at the same time. And threads can be used to perform complicated tasks in the background without interrupt the main program. So now I am create a thread. Thread are two-way are created. It can be created by extending the thread and overriding the run method. So first I am create is thread syntax is first I am create is thread and its extend is thread and now I am create is it's not in this. So first I am create is extend and thread, and now I am create is public void method public void, and run method use then parentheses and curly braces is print function is system.out.println, and double quotation use this code is running in a thread. Okay, this is a thread X sentence. So now I am create is main function you implements thread. So it is used is running method if the class implements the runnable interface. The thread can be run by passing an instance of the class to a thread objects constructor and the calling the threads start method. I'm use is start method. So first time create is threads implements is runnable. So now I am create is public static void main function inside is first I am create is threads and object is equal is new threads then semicolon, and now I am create is threads thread and use thread function and equal is new and thread object then threads and object then semicolon, and now in this program I am call is thread dot start method then semicolon, and I am use is print function is system.out.println, and double quotation is this code is outside of the thread, and I am use is public void method is public and void then run method use then curly braces is system.out.println, and I am use is double quotation and message is this code is running in a thread. Okay, now in this code is save, okay, and run. As you can see, the result is printed. So this code is outside of the thread and this code is running in a thread, and this is a thread implements for runnable method. And that our exploration of Java threads, we are covered the basic creating method using the runnable interface, thread synchronization, and discussed thread state and lifecycle. So thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who are learning Java. They stay tuned for more exciting Java tutorials in the future. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Java Lamberts. In this video, we'll explore the world of functional programming in Java through the expressive and conscious syntax of lambdas. Will provide practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us this in tutorial. So lambdas are a powerful feature introduced in Java 8, allowing you to write more readable and expressive code. What are lambdas? In Java, a lambda expression is a conscious way to represent an animal's function, basically a block of code that can be passed around. Now, I am using lambdas and interface. Lambdas are often used with functional interface. Let's say we have a functional interface is my function interface. So now I am create is interface and my functional interface and curly braces is void and my method, then parenthesis and semicolon. In this line, a functional interface with a single abstract method. And now I am implementing with a lambda. So now I am create is main function inside with it's a functional interface. So now I am create is my function interface and my lambda and is equal is parenthesis and this sign and now create is system dot out dot println and is use is double quotation is hello from lambda. So in this code is implementing with lambda for expression replace the need for an explicit implementation. And now I am executing the lambda. We can execute the lambda for use is my lambda dot is my method. So in this my method, this line called the my method defined by the lambda expression. And now I am create is lambda with parameter. So lambda can be also take parameters. For example, a lambda that adds two number. So in these two numbers and it's lambda using in collection lambda sign when working the collection. Let's say you have a list of string and now I am create is list and string and use is names equal is array dot as list and it's Alice and Bob and is Charlie, then semicolon. And now I am use and create a lambda expression to print each element of the list. So now I am create is names dot for each is name and this lambda sign and is system dot out dot println and parenthesis is hello, then plus sign is name, and save this code, and in this code is save, and let me run this code. Okay, so as you can see, the result is hello from lambda, hello Alice, hello Bob, and hello Charlie. So in this code is showcase the use of lambdas with functional interface and collections. So lambdas bring several benefits to Java, including cleaner code, more readable syntax, and better support for functional programming. So lambdas are a powerful addition to Java, enhancing its capabilities for functional programming. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on file handling in Java. In this video, we'll explore the world of working with files, reading, writing, and manipulating data. We'll provide practical example with code and detailed explanations. So join us in this journey to master file handling in Java. Now, the file handling is crucial for many applications, and Java provides powerful tools for this task. And what is file handling? In a Java, the java.nio.file is packaging provides a rich set of classes for file handling. We'll cover basic file operations like reading and writing. Now I am create is reading from a file. Let's start with reading from a file. We'll use the files and path classes. This is a import for Java IO expression and file path, paths and list. So now I am create is path file is, so first I am create is path and use is file path and equal is paths dot is get function is get is, then double quotation is sample text, sample dot text. It's a file path and then semicolon. And now I am create is try function is curly braces, inside is list and use is string and then use is lines and equal is files dot read all lines and its file path, then semicolon. And now I am use is lines and dot for each method is system dot out. It's not clean property. Its use is system dot out and use is print line, then semicolon. And now I am use its cast method, and use is IO expression, and expression is E. Then is open curly braces, and I am create is E dot print stack trace function, and this code is reads all lines from the file of sample docs text and print them to the console. Okay, so save and run. As you can see, the file is printed. File line is sample.txt, and in this tutorial I am create again is writing file. So now I am use first I am create is main function inside is path, and use file path, and equal is paths dot get method, and use is output dot text, then semicolon. And now I am use is list method is list, and use string, then I am use is content, and equal is arrays dot as list, and create is hello, and use is again, then Java file handling, then semicolon. And I am now use is try method, then open curly braces is files dot is write, and use file path, then use create is content, and then semicolon. And now I am use is print function is system dot out dot print line, and use is create is data, and return to the file is successfully and semicolon. And now I am use is catch function is, then create is IO expression dot and E, then again open curly braces is E dot print stack trace method, and then semicolon. And in this code write a list of string to the file output.txt, and let me run this code. Okay, as you can see, the result is data written to the file successfully. And in this video is file handling is essential for data storage retail and manipulation. It ensures the integrity and security of your data. File handling is a fundamental skill for Java developer, and mastering these operations is crucial for building robust applications. So thank you for joining us in this tutorial and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to this video in a file deletion in Java. In this video, we'll explore the process of deleting file using Java, including the necessary classes and methods. So, in this video of a deleting file in Java deleting file is a common task in programming, and Java provide powerful tools for this operation. So what is our introduction to file deletion? In Java, the java.nio.file package provide classes for file and directory operations. We will be using the files and path classes to delete files. So now let's create a deleting file. So now first time create is list and create is string and create is file name and equal is arrays dot as list and create is double quotation is file dot text 1 and create is another file is double quotation is file 2 dot text and then semicolon. And now I am create is for loop is use for and then I am create is string and file name and its file names and its is file name. Then I am create is file names. So and open curly braces is path and file path is equal is paths and get and URL is file name, then semicolon. And now I am use is try block and curly braces and use is files dot is create is delete path and is file and path and then create and use system dot out dot print line and is double quotation is file and use is plus sign and file name is file name and plus sign again and it's again double quotation and use deleted successfully. So now in this, I'm again check is list string file names and arrays as list is file, and then create is for, and string is file name and file names, then create is path is file path and path dot file name, and use try, then I'm use is catch, so it's IO expression e, then open curly braces and e dot file stack trace. So this file is something is wrong, then I am fixed it. So everyone, in this file I am use is mistakenly double T, and in this files delete path is create is extra ace. So delete this ace, and in this code is no error, and this code delete is multiple files is specified in the file names list. So save this code and run. Okay, as you can see, the result is printed. It's a delete file. So in this video, for file deletion is crucial for maintaining a clean and organized file system. It helps manage resource efficiently and ensure the integrity of your data. So deleting file in Java is a straightforward process, and understanding the available classes or methods is essential for effective file management. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to this beginner friendly tutorial on adding two numbers in Java. In this video, we'll go through a simple Java program that takes two numbers as input, adds them, and display the result. You will provide practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us in this tutorial, the basic of Java programming. The basic of Java programming, this is a fundamental skill for any Java programmer, and we will make it easy for you. So, introduction to adding two numbers. In Java, adding two numbers involves taking user input, performing the addition operation, and displaying the result. We will use the scanner class for input and the basic arithmetic operations for addition. So now I'm create is to add numbers are in main function inside is first time create is scanner dot scanner is equal new scanner, and its is system dot in, then semicolon, and now I am create is system dot out dot println, and create double quotation is enter the first number, and then semicolon, and now I am create is integer number 1 is equal scanner dot next int function, then semicolon, and in this line is copy and paste is next line, and its change number 2, then next int, and now I'm create is integer is sum, and equal is num1 is addition is num2, then semicolon, and now I'm create is system method dot out dot println, and then the sum of and is addition sign is number 1 and addition sign is double quotation is and is addition is num2, then plus sign, and again create is double quotation is and plus is sum, then semicolon, and I am create is scanner and dot close method. Then in this code is learning add two numbers is a functional skill in programming. It sets the stage for more complex mathematical operations and is essential for building various applications. So in this code, for import the scan class to take user input and import the scanner object name is scanner to read input from the console, and the system dot out println is we promote the user to enter the first and second numbers, and last is use scanner dot next int function to read integer input from the user, and last one we print the result using the system.out.println. So save this code. Let me run this code. Is as you can see the result first number is 10, enter is second number is 20, then the sum is 30. So in this code we are just learned how to add two numbers in Java. Keep practicing and exploring more aspects of Java programming. So thank you for joining us in this tutorial on adding two numbers in Java. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So again, thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on counting words in Java. In this video, we'll explore a Java program that analyzes text input and counts the number of words, and practice and example with code and detailed explanation. So join us this in journey of Java programming skill. So in Java, counting words involves breaking down on a text into individual words and then determining the total count. We will use the scanner class for input and implement a simple algorithm for counting words. So now let's start by using the scanner class to get user input. So first time create is scanner and scanner is equal is new scanner and its system dot in, then semicolon, and now I am use is print section is system dot out dot println, and double quotation is enter a sentence or paragraph. Now I am create is string function is string, and input text is equal scanner and dot. Next line, okay, then semicolon, and I am again create is integer word count, then equal is count words, and input text, then semicolon. And now I am create is again input section is input dot out dot println, and double quotation is word count, and is plus sign is word count, so it's count and count. And I am use is scanner dot close method. In this method, don't forget to close the scanner. And now I am create is input text, so I'm again create is count words is input text, then semicolon. And in this line is I am create is function to count words in a given text. So now use is private static and integer is count words, and parenthesis is string and text. Then open curly braces is if statement, and use is text, and equal is null value, and or text dot is empty is empty, and parenthesis, then again open curly braces is return 0. And now I am create is open curly braces, and in this line, okay, and it's not. Then I'm create is this, and it's in curly braces, and now, okay, this line is not. So now I am use is string, and it's string, and third bracket is words is equal is text dot split, and double quotation is double forward slash and string s and plus, then semicolon. And now in this, split the text into words using white space as the delimiter. Then I am in this line is create is written and words dot length and semicolon. And now I am create is this line and curly braces. So in this program, and is first I am create is scanner close to read a line of text from the user, and we call the count words function passing the user input as argument. And I am the word count words function split the text into an array of words using white space as the delimiter. So we print the count of word using system.out.println and save this code, and let me run this code. Okay. As you can see, the result is enter a sentence or paragraph is hello count words and enter. The word count is 3. So in this topic is count words is a common task in text processing. It's essential for applications like word processor, search engine, and text analytic. So you are just learned how to count word in Java. This skill is a valuable addition in your programming toolkit. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to this Java programming tutorial on reversing a string. We will delve into a Java program that takes a string at input and outputs its reverse. We will provide practical example with code and detailed explanations. So join us on this journey to enhance your Java programming skills. So Java reversing a string is a common task in programming, and understanding how to do it is fundamental. So introduction to string reversal is a Java reversing a string involves manipulating its character to produce the reverse order. We will use basic string manipulation technique to achieve this. So now I am create is using the string builder class, which is a mutable sequence of characters. It's efficient for string manipulation. So first time create is scanner and again scanner is equal is new scanner and its string dot in then semicolon. And now I am use is system method system dot out dot println and double quotation use enter a string, and I am use is string and input string and equal is scanner dot next line and semicolon. Now I am create is its string, create is string and reversed string, reversed string is equal is reverse and string and its input string then semicolon. And now use is system function is system.out.println is a print section is double quotation used is reversed string and class is reversed string then semicolon. And now in this scanner dot close method is don't forget to close the scanner. And now I am create is function to reverse a given string. First time create is private and static and use string string and reverse string and is string input, then open curly braces is if statement and its input equal is null value or input is input dot is empty function and then again open curly braces inside is return and input then semicolon. And now I am create is use string builder to efficiently reverse the string. So first time create is string builder string builder and use is reversed is equal new string builders is input and dot is reverse function and its create is return and is reversed dot to string function and semicolon. And in this program we use the scanner class to read a line of text from the user and now we call is reverse string function passing the user input as an argument. The reverse string functions use a string builder, its string builder to efficiently reverse the string. We print the reverse string is system.out.println and in this program takes user input, calls a function to reverse the string and then prints the reverse string. Let me run this code, and so nothing is error. Okay, now fixed is string creates system.in. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result enter a string is reverse number. Enter is in this result. So in this tutorial, we are reversing a string is a versatile skill useful in tasks such as data encryption, pattern matching, and text processing. So you are just learned how to reverse a string in Java. This knowledge opens the door to more advanced string manipulation techniques. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to this Java programming tutorial on finding the sum of array elements. In this tutorial, we'll explore a Java program that takes an array as input and output the sum of its element. We'll provide practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us in this journey to enhance your Java programming skill. So introduce to summing array elements. In Java, finding the sum of array elements involve the iterating through the array and accumulating the values. We will use a simple loop to achieve this. So first time create the scanner class. Let's start by using the scanner class to get user input for the array. So first time create is scanner. Scanner is equal new scanner and its system.in, then semicolon. And now I am use the get the size of array is system.out.print and double quotation is use enter the size of the array. And I am create is integer size integer size and equal is scanner dot next int, then semicolon. And now I am create an array of the specified size is integer and array is equal new and integer is size, then semicolon. And now I am get elements from the user is first time create is system.out.println and double quotation use is enter the elements of the array. And I am create is for loop, its initialize is I is equal 0 and I is less than a size and semicolon is I increment. Then curly braces is system.out.println and double quotation is element element and is use plus sign and I plus 1 increment and it's again plus is double quotation use. And now I am is array use array and index is I and is equal scanner and dot next int and semicolon. And now I am find and print the sum of the array element is first time create is private, its return. So now I am create is find element, first time create is integer is sum and equal is find sum and its array, then semicolon. And in this okay in inline okay find sum and its call is find sum array, then I am create is system.out.println and double quotation is sum of array element and its use is sum, then semicolon. And create is scanner dot close method. In this method is don't forget to close the scanner. And now I am create is in this method is use so okay create is private and static is use integer value and find sum and is its type integer and dex is array and use is curly braces and integer is sum equal 0, then semicolon. And now I am create is iterate through the array and accumulate the sum. First time create is for loop and use is integer value and array. Then again curly braces and its sum equal is value. Then semicolon and its is return value, return is sum, return and sum, then semicolon. And in this total code for first use the scanner class to get the size of the array and its element from the user and create an array of the specific size and use is for loop and to populate the array with user input and we call the find sum function iterates the through the array and accumulate the sum and we print the sum using is system.out.println. So let me run this code and as you can see the result is enter the size of array is 2 and enter. First element is 5, enter. Its element is 4 and enter is total 9. And in this tutorial, the topic for is array element is understanding how to sum array elements is essential for various applications including data analysis, statistic and algorithm development. So you just learned how to find the sum of array elements in Java. This skill is a cornerstone to your journey becoming a proficient Java programmer. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello programmer, welcome to this Java programming tutorial on finding the area of a rectangle. In this video, you will explore a Java program that takes user input for the length and width of a rectangle and calculate its area. We'll provide practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us on this journey to enhance your Java programming skill. So introduce to area of a rectangle. In Java, calculating the area of a rectangle involves using the formula area equal length into width. We will use the scanner class, take user input and perform the calculation. So let's start by using the scanner class to get user input for the length and width of the rectangle. So first time create is scanner and again scanner is equal new scanner is system dot in and semicolon, and now we get user input for length. So first time create is system dot out dot println and double quotation use enter the length and semicolon, and now I am input for length is double and length is equal is scanner dot next double function then semicolon, and get user input for width is in this line is copy and paste. Its change is enter the width and its and now I am calculate the area of the rectangle is double and area is equal is calculate area and its length and width then semicolon, and now I am print the result is system dot out dot println and double quotation use area of rectangle is and plus icon is area and then semicolon, and in this area is now create. Don't forget the close the scanner. So first now create is scanner dot close function, and now I am create is Function to calculate the area of a rectangle is private and it's static, and create is double, and calculate area is parenthesis is double is length, and create is double is width. Then when curly braces is return and length to width, then semicolon. And in this code is use the scanner class to get user input for the length and width of the rectangle. And now we call the calculate area function passing the user inputs as arguments. And the calculate area function multiple the length and width to find the area. So we print the area using system dot out dot println and save this code, and let me run this code. And as you can see, the first result, the enter the length is 6 and width is 3, and the area of rectangle is 18. And in this program takes the length and width of the rectangle from the user, calculate the area and output the result. So you are understanding how to calculate the area of a rectangle is a fundamental skill in geometry and is applicable in various fields including computer graphics and design. So you are just learned how to calculate the area of a rectangle in Java. So this knowledge will be handy in your programming journey. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Hello everyone, welcome to this Java programming tutorial on determining whether a number is even or odd. In this video, we will explore a Java program that takes user input for a number and checks if it's even or odd. We will provide practical example with code and detailed explanation. So join us on this journey to enhance your Java programming skills. So introduction or to even or odd numbers in a Java, checking if a number is even or odd numbers using the module operator. And even number divided by 2 has a remainder of 0, while an odd number has a remainder of 1. So let's start by using the scanner class to get user input for the number. First I am create is scanner. Scanner is equal new scanner and its system dot in, then semicolon. And now get user input for the number is system dot out dot println and double quotation is enter a number. And now get the input is integer, number is equal scanner dot next int and semicolon. And now check if the number is even or odd. First time create is string and result is equal is check is even or odd number then semicolon, and now print the result is system.out.println, and double quotation is the number is, okay, it's capital word, and is, and use addition sign is result, okay, then semicolon, and now I am create is scanner dot close method. Don't forget the close the scanner. So now I am create is function to check if a number is even or odd. So create is private and static is string, and use is check even or odd number, it's integer number, and curly braces, and if statement, then number is modulus 2 and equal is 0, then again curly braces, and return is even number, and semicolon, and again create is else statement, and curly braces is return is odd number. Okay, then semicolon. And in this code we use first scanner class to get user input for the number, and we call the even check even or odd number function passing the user input as an argument, and the check even or odd function uses the modulus operator to check if the number is even or odd, and we print the result using system.out.println. Let me run this code, and as you can see the result, first type is enter a number is 5, and it is odd number, and now I am again run this code and enter a number is 10, it's the number is even number. In this program takes user input for a number, calls a function to check if it's even or odd number, and then print the result. So this program determine if a number is even or odd is a fundamental operation in programming and is used in various algorithms and applications. So congratulations, you are just learned how to determine if a number is even or odd in Java. This knowledge is fundamental and will serve you well in your programming journey. So thank you for joining us in this tutorial on even or odd numbers in Java. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Until next time, and happy coding!